Hi guys, I just want to make a disclaimer. I filmed this around like 12, like midnight to like 3 a.m. and guys, my lash is hella lifting. But I wanted to put this out, so don't tell me in the comments that my lash is lifting. I know it is, and trust me, it was cringy enough for me to freaking edit this video. But yeah, take a shot for every time you see my lash lift. I have been getting so many DMs about edge tutorial. We need to see how you do it. And I've even been like, so I was like, this is such a simple routine. Like, I'm not gonna make a whole video on this, but it's literally such an easy process. I'm like, I will literally send you a video, like me doing it, and I'll send it to you in the DMs. But people still want it after that, so I'm like, okay. I gotcha. I've been feeling so inspired and motivated this month. Like, I've been on my ass. I'm like, I'm gonna do this and do that. I have so much content and ideas bursting my mind. Like, I feel it in my soul. It's gonna be a good December, and I'm just so glad I'm finally feeling motivated to film because I was in a rut. I'm gonna stop talking because I'm rambling, but let's get on to the video. Alright guys, so first you're gonna start off with an edge brush. I use this one. I like this one because it has a comb on the end, and you can see during the tutorial how having a comb really just chef's kiss. Like, this is life. But when I can find this, which is like 20% of the time, I use a regular toothbrush. So you don't have to get one of these if not. You don't have to get one of these. A toothbrush is fine, but I usually go for this because of the comb. Next, you're gonna grab your edge control gel. I use this one. It's the Garnier Curl Tree Jelly Leave-In Styler. This is life. Like, it's not even an edge control. It's supposed to be a gel for your hair, for curly hair. But it's like a jelly. You can see mine. Mine is almost gone, but it's like a jelly type. It's such a weird, it's very weird, but I've been using this on my edges for like 2 years, ever since it really came out. This is life. Like, try this. Edge brush, any type of edge control of your choice. And you're also gonna need some water. I usually do my edges in the bathroom, so I just use it under like the running sink, but I have like a little thing of water right here to use just for this video. And that's all you need. So let's get started. Fix my lash. You guys are gonna be like, oh my gosh, your lash is lifting. I need to find a new lash glue that I like, because this one I like because like it's so much easier to apply, but it has no hole whatsoever. Like, ugh. Guys. So first you're gonna grab your water and literally dip your edge brush in there. You don't have to soak it. I just like to get it wet. It's like brushing your teeth. Don't leave a poll. Do you wet your toothbrush before you put the toothpaste on it? Or do you just go and dry with your toothbrush, put the toothpaste, and then wet your toothbrush? I hope that makes sense, but like, I'm curious now. Let me know. Leave it in the comments down below. But basically, we're gonna take that, and then so we're gonna start bringing those edges out. And I usually do mine before I do my makeup, because right here, like where I contour at, the makeup and the gel, it's just such a nasty combination. But sometimes I forget to do them before, so here we are. So yeah, so we're just gonna bring our edges out. This is me with edges out. The water, the reason why I go in with the water first, because it helps activate like the curliness of my edges. It's preference. But I use the water so the water can activate my curls. Then I go in with my gel. I just take a little bit on my finger, and then I just dab it. Put it all over my edges. Saturate them, coat them, anything like that. And then anything extra extra, put up here. For the purpose of this video, I'm gonna start with this. Usually I'll dab it on both and then go in, but just for this tutorial, I'm gonna show you one side first. So after you put the gel down, basically going in layers. So it's water, gel, that's literally it. So after the water and the gel is down, I'll brush it out again for any stray hairs. You know, you wanna make it slick. All right. Think about how to explain it, but basically it's like mountains, the like top of the mountains and valleys. So this is gonna be the top of the mountain, and then I'm gonna make a valley. So I usually start right here, and then I will make a valley. See? So this is like the mountain and then the valley, and then I'll go right here, push that in, and this is where the comb goes in good use. I can do this with like the edge of a toothbrush, but with an edge brush, with any of these edge brushes, I don't know, it just makes it so easy. So yep, that's literally all I do, guys. And then see, this has already kind of created a valley. I'll go and try to make a little mountaintop. So I'll brush it, and I'm always holding it because we don't want to lose that valley or that. And then my hair will start to, all the fly oils will start to come up when I start brushing it, but you just start patting it down. So, boom, just made a mountain. Gonna go in. Gonna make me a nutter. Ooh, country. We're gonna make another mountain. I literally just do what my hair wants to do. Y'all guys saw that? That curl? I'm like, if you want to curl up, just go ahead. If it wants to make that curl, let it curl. But yeah, this is what we have. Easy. So I'm gonna go in the other one. I'm gonna take a little bit of water just to refresh. And you'll start to see my makeup combining with the gel and the water. Ugh, I hate that. Later on, I will go in with the beauty blender after it's dried down because you don't want to mess up these edges, but I'll go in with the beauty blender and with a little teensy tiny bit of foundation. I'll just go and dot my edges just to blend everything. Literally just a whole bunch of in, out, in, out. See, I don't know how to explain how it does that, but there's that. Ew! Alright guys, so this is me with no filter. I'm literally screen recording now. You see these edges. They're more on the finer side lately. Since I took my braids out, my hair is still kind of fragile. It's still trying to bounce back. But yeah, this is it. Literally it, guys. B and Ariel have been hounding me for this video, so shout out to both of y'all. If you try this or recreate this, please tag me. I will love to repost you and hype you up on Instagram or YouTube. Let me know. Do it and tag me and see how it goes for you, because I know B's edges, oh my gosh. B, I want your edges, okay? Like, oh my god, they're so nice. They're so nice and full. Oh. Chef's kiss. I do want to make a disclaimer. This is just what works for my hair. I have 3B, 3C hair. Comment down about the toothbrush thing. Do you wet your toothbrush before you put toothpaste on there, or do you wet it after the toothbrush, or do you just not wet it at all? Let me know how y'all guys do it, because now I'm really interested now. But yeah, be on the lookout for more videos and follow my Instagram, because I'm gonna be posting there. Also follow my TikTok because I always post there before I post anywhere else. If you like this, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and comment down if you like this way, if you do it different, if you use a new edge control. Let me know. Thank you so much for watching. This ponytail is so pretty. I just got a new one.